Are you looking for handwork collection for your shop? You're not getting it. So Shiven Trendz has brought you different types of handwork collection. If you want in this fabric, you'll get it. If you want in this fabric, you'll get it. So you want to see all this collection, you have to do one thing. Don't skip this video, watch till the end. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are good and doing very fine. So I have brought you handwork collection. You can see on the table different types of handwork collection. If I talk about the fabric, you'll get Roman silk, Russian silk, different type of silk fabric, muslin. So these type of collection, if you keep on your boutique, you'll get up to 30 to 40% margin. So you can order for the festival time. This is the time you can earn up to so much. So let's talk about the collection. You can see on the table I have a lot of variety, lot of collection. In Shiven Trendz you'll get 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece, etc. different types of fabric. Let's talk about the first piece. You can see how beautiful it's crafted. Even you can see on the neck, you can see the handwork, plus on the sleeves you can see the kota patti work, and on the full piece you'll get the handwork detailing. If I talk about the bottom wear, you'll get the same bottom wear fabric, Roman silk. You can see even the fabric is very soft. It's good for your customer. Even you can keep on your dummy and it will sell quickly. If I talk about the dupatta, you can see this is a jacquard dupatta. It's very beautiful. Even you can see the zari work plus the digital printing on it. If I talk about the colors, variety, patterns, you'll get different types of colors, variety, pattern, and even the neck handwork. Next piece, you can see how beautiful purple color, plus you can see the neck handwork. It's very different, plus you'll get the contrast working in it. It will come with the pearl work, and on the piece you'll get the handwork detailing. If I talk about the combo, you'll get medium, large, XL, double XL combo. It's only for B2B, not for B2C. So please don't call for the single piece. And if you want to place this order for your boutique, for your business, you can call directly. And plus, if you want the address, you can directly see the description and you can come directly visit us and you can get a lot of different type of collection. So let's go on the next piece. You can see beautiful green pista color and it's very beautifully crafted. Even you can see the neck area, it's very beautiful. Even you can see the handwork detailing, plus on the piece you can see the proper handwork detailing, plus it will come with the astar, cotton astar. And if I talk about the bottom wear, you'll get the same Roman silk bottom wear. If I talk about the dupatta, you can see the dupatta is very nice. It's jacquard fabric, 2.5 meter dupatta, and you can sell these pieces for around 14 to 1500. This is 50% margin gain. This is the season time, you can earn very good amount. So let's go on the next piece. You can see it's pure Pakistani muslin fabric, and even on the neck area you can see the detailing of handwork, plus it will come with digital printing, plus with a muslin pure fabric. If I talk about the bottom wear, you will get the same muslin fabric bottom wear, contrast working bottom wear. And I talk about the dupatta, it's very beautiful. Plus you can see I am wearing this piece. If you want to order this piece, screenshot on the screen and you can call directly to us. So let's go on to the next piece. It's very beautiful. It's beautiful gray. And if you want to order all these pieces, you have to do only one thing. Go and call on the numbers, and it's your channel. Like, comment and share, and tell me from where you are watching this video. Comment me on the video and we'll meet on the next video with new collections.